Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your TREZOR Model One. To set up your TREZOR One, you'll need to get the TREZOR Suite app, and you can get it either on your PC, it can be Windows, Mac OS or Linux, or you can get it on your Android phone. There is also an app for iOS, but it can be used only for view-only mode, which lets you check the balance of your account, but doesn't let you do anything else. First of all, make sure that your device was bought from the official TREZOR shop or from a trusted reseller, that the hologram on the box was intact and untampered with, and that the device package was intact. Let's set it up. You'll need to install firmware, and if you only use Bitcoin, then you should get Bitcoin only firmware. You can see it right here. But if you want to use other crypto, then get the universal one. Click on install firmware. Now it is preparing it. So let's wait until it finishes. It shouldn't take really long, honestly. Okay, now it will be restarted, and once it restarts, you can continue. Let's continue. Now you can create a new wallet or recover it from the backup phrase. If you want to recover it, there is a video on it, but that video only shows you the recover steps. So if you wish to watch a video on the recovery, then you can watch that, but other steps can be followed from this video. I will be creating a new wallet here basically, so let's click on that. Now on the device you'll need to confirm it with the key, with the right key, and then continue to backup. You will need to backup your wallet backup. It is very important. And before we continue, please make sure that you never share your wallet backup with anyone. Never take a picture of it with your device, especially if it has or will have internet access. Store it in a secure place, only open it, write it down in a room without cameras. Never lose it, because if you lose it, then you won't be able to recover your funds in case of your TREZOR loss or damage. And never share it with anyone, because it can be used to recover the full wallet and access all the funds. So select these three instructions that you understand them. Now I will show you a few of these words, but only because I'm not gonna be using the device ever. I'm not gonna be using the account ever. I won't be transferring any money on the wallet. I'll just reset the device and create a new wallet with a different phrase that I won't show you if I will record videos on transferring money later, or if I just transfer it for my own reasons. So yes, that's very important, and that's the only reason why I'm sharing my phrase with you, but don't share yours with anyone. Just write down the words on a piece of paper, then go to the next one, and basically write the second word down until you get all the words. And I'll just get back to you shortly. By the way, also remember to write these words in the correct order. Now, after you go past the 24th word, you'll have a button to click on again, and you should check the seed, verify that each word is written down correctly. So I'll just go through that, because I'm pretty sure everything is done. Yeah, if you do it incorrectly and don't verify it here, then unfortunately you'll lose your money once something happens to your Trezor. Now let's continue to pin. Set pin. That can be skipped, but I wouldn't recommend skipping it. Just click on confirm on the device. Now you can set it, and yeah, I've never really done it on this device. I've done it on different Trezors, but as you can see, it shows you the order of the numbers, because each time the order is different, and on the computer you only have the option to click on dots in the correct place. So I'll set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, but of course you can set it to something more complicated. It can be from 4 up to, I think, even 50 symbols. So I'll just do 1, 2, 3 and 4 and confirm. Now re-enter it. You can see it's shuffled again. Confirm. It is all for security, of course. It's shuffled for security, and the computer doesn't show the numbers for security. Then you can select which types of coins you want to activate. So for some reason I can see that there's no Solana supported here. You can see I can't access Solana. There are also testnet coins that can be enabled. These don't hold any value. They are just for testing, for like seeing how everything works here. I'll just maybe activate. I'll do it later. But yeah, the Bitcoin, the Ethereum can be activated. You can also see some details. Let's just complete the setup. By the way, there's also Tor that can be enabled, and it'll route all Trezor suite traffic through the Tor network, increasing your privacy and security, but it might take longer to just like work on the device. I'm gonna go to the Trezor suite and its setup, and if you want to learn more, there will be videos on the channel on the device, and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.